Good afternoon here from AlphaCars, Boxborough, Massachusetts. We are ready to deliver this beautiful BMW. It's a 2003 touring wagon with 32,000 miles. Our customer requested to install a Bluetooth system. The system that we selected to install is a Parrot MK6100. The installation was done by our senior automotive technician Alexei. He will help us here to sort out a couple of things. And the monitor is located here on the dashboard. A little control panel that has send and end switches is available. It can be placed separately on the dashboard. It can also be located with a special mount somewhere in the steering wheel. We're probably going to locate it either here or up here, depending where our customer selects it to be placed for him. This Bluetooth system also has a phenomenal functionality, not only for the telephone conversation, also as a sound system. We're using a telephone, it's a BlackBerry 8830, and a native player and the songs, and you can control your music here. This is the panel. You can make the volume lower or higher. You can go from song to song. You can pause. Also, if you were about to receive a phone call, I'm just going to place a call to Alexei's cell phone number. And I will be carrying conversation. As you can see, the caller ID recognized my name. I'm calling from my cell phone, Dmitry Bykovsky. I'm general manager of AlphaCars. So here's the phone call comes in. I can answer the phone by pressing this button here. And yes, so we have now a wireless connection from one Verizon most reliable carrier in United States. It goes from one cell phone to Verizon Tower, then from Verizon Tower to another cell phone. The beauty of this system is that it also has a wireless, Bluetooth wireless communication in the vehicle. If I am about to end this conversation, the player resumes the music. As you can see on the screen, it identifies the phone that I'm on. Also, I'll ask Alexei to help us with the menu that is available through the system. He just installed this, there's a Bluetooth module, there's a lot of wiring circuitry done inside, there's a communication and connections in the back of the sound system. That was all just done. So let's go through the menus and see what we have available.
Phone book.
We have a phone book available.
A.
You can select A by alphabet, and if you click, it will tell you available names.
A. Alex Kripman.
You can have and then select a particular number to call.
Work. Other. Work.
Yeah, let's take a look at another functional part of the menu system.
A. Phone book. Calls.
You can make and receive calls, missed calls. You can look at your recent calls. Not only that, you can see the names, it will pronounce the name for you if you're driving. Let's take a look at another menu.
Calls. Dial a number.
You can dial a specific number. Let's take a look at another one.
Phone.
Contact management. You can receive contacts over the Bluetooth if your phone supports that. You can use voice command. Let's look at another one. Let's step back.
Phone.
Go ahead.
Music.
Music or sound is another module that is available for your use. You can, of course, play music. You can also set desirable equalizer settings. Spoken menus, various settings available. Let's take a look at another one.
Music settings.
In the settings, you can set volumes, preset default volumes for various parts of the functionality of this Bluetooth communication device.